You want to?
I'm not comfortable on camera.
Okay. Can I? Okay.
If I know that just public speaking for just issue
Okay.
I'll start fumbling. I'll start
Okay.
सबसे जो बुरे symptoms होते हैं, I'll start getting bored.
Okay.
I'm fine with talking. I love talking in a group. I love talking to a few people. But
Okay.
if I know that this
There's a
conversation
camera
is
or
gonna be
recording, you might feel
camera
comfortable.
recording or that it's gonna be more than say 5 people.
Acha.
Oh, it gets the worst of me.
Okay.
That's why.
Any idea why is that?
No, I've never been a good public speaker. I love doing group discussion.
See, I'm a stranger and you're a stranger. After this ride, obviously we'll be strangers. But the conversation, what we talk, it will make some impact, right?
Right.
So, being a stranger, I don't know about you, you don't know about me. So, both ways we can't judge, and obviously, I won't judge you. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
No.
Cool.
Helping me distracted.
Wow, that's really nice. Yeah.
You can just call me in. And I am an HR by profession.
Oh, super.
Yeah.
I was actually looking for jobs like madly a year ago. Yeah, but I decided not to work anymore.
What were you doing before that?
I was working as a designer.
Oh.
Yeah. I was working from 2018 to 19. Lost my job during COVID. Chinese services companies were affected, so we were laid off during COVID times. So बचपन से मेरा passion is photography, filmmaking. So decided not to work anymore and focus on my passion. जी. So yeah, what makes you happy in life?
Generally?
जी.
Generally what makes me happy? Sleeping.
That's good.
No, I like to try a lot of things.
Okay.
But I'm very introvert by nature.
Oh, okay.
So it gets a little difficult because trying new things would mean you need to open up to a lot of people who
Correct.
understand what people are saying.
True.
And that comes with my profession also. I need to be that person. But
Good. Okay.
personally, I'm an introvert. So yeah,
Okay.
trying new things make me
Super. Actually, even I'm an introvert. But when I decided not to work anymore and try something to do for myself, so it was difficult time. Like you have to reach out to people, introduce yourself, and there's a lot of things, right? Like there's a lot of talking to. So which was affecting me. So I thought this is not gonna work. So maybe I'll do bike taxi and whoever comes, I talk to them. So trying to break that barrier. Yeah.
That's really nice.
Yes. But how are you managing? You are an HR and being an introvert. It's a little bit
I
sounds
think
funny.
it depends. I don't think I think mostly an ambivert.
Okay.
So depending on what kind of work I'm doing, I usually open up.
Okay.
But otherwise, I prefer my own personal space.
Cool.
There, I need
Acha.
my own time.
I hope.
Personally, I'm mostly a introvert person. Otherwise, yeah.
Understood. I hope I'm not disturbing you.
No.
Cool.
Helping me distracted.
Wow, that's really nice. Yeah. They tell their story and they just go. But overall, like whatever they say, I can't judge them. But most of the times, like a lot of people thank me, or some say like it's good, like what you're doing, like just talking. So I thought, why not we document this? Maybe किसी को inspire भी हो सकता है. Yeah, it's more like that.
See, that's actually I think that's a lot of people have started off doing this.
Correct.
Even if they're not opening up to their loved ones.
Yes.
I don't think आज के टाइम पे that big of a taboo also जैसे हुआ करता था.
Okay.
Because people have accepted कि और
True.
उनसे तो बात कर ही सकते.
Yeah, correct.
How long have you been doing this?
Bike taxi or podcast?
Both.
Bike taxi from last 2 years, podcast from last 2 or 3 months. So it is currently ongoing. It's been live on Instagram and YouTube. So I've designed around 50 episodes. I mean, actually, I approached I think 500 customers or 550 customers. Unme around 300 would have said yes. And recorded and filtered out मतलब जो best आया हुआ they are around 70. So I have 70 episodes to edit and upload.
That's a lot. So you're planning on long form content after?
Yeah, I'm planning on that. Yes, I'm planning on that. But it's a long work. Yeah, so yeah. So anyhow, what's really important in life according to you? What's really important in life?
Peace with yourself.
Peace with yourself.
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि यार मैं if I keep on struggling with the fact that I'm an introvert, I'm not accepting it. That means कि even if I want to try new things, I won't want to do that. Until unless you're at peace with yourself, तब तक नहीं होगा.
That's nice actually. That's nice. Like the point which you told. It's more like accepting yourself.
Even if it doesn't matter, मतलब it can be you are very hyperactive, right? But अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि आप बहुत hyperactive हैं and you're not accepting that, right? Until unless you don't accept it, आप दूसरों को समझा नहीं पाएंगे.
Correct. Yeah.
और वो नहीं हो पाएगा तो फिर कोई imbalance हो जाता है. Even in your friend circle only.
Okay.
मतलब friendships क्यों रहते हैं, क्यों नहीं रहते हैं?
जी.
Because you're not true to yourself. You try to be the person your friend is.
Okay.
आपके 6 फ्रेंड्स हैं, आप ट्राई करोगे हर 6 की तरह हो. and अल्टीमेटली कहीं ना कहीं पे जाके वो ब्रेक हो जाता है.
Correct.
तब दूसरे फ्रेंड को लगता है कि यार ये दिस पर्सन इज एक्टेड आउट ऑफ व्हाट दे यूज्ड टू. तो बस फिर वही फ्रेंडशिप खत्म.
Yeah. No, आपने जो मेन कोर एलिमेंट बताया था टू बी पीस विथ योरसेल्फ, आई थिंक दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
थैंक यू.
जी.
ज़्यादा टाइम हुआ नहीं है जो खुद माना गया. वो खुद भी वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस ही है.
सॉरी, खुद भी
वो खुद भी वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस ही है.
yeah,
खुद
yes,
को रिमाइंड कराना पड़ता है बार बार.
100%. See, even this what I'm doing now, I think lot of things will not take. Let them do this. I think a lot of things take time, like to bring some changes in you and everything. Even for me, everything is a progress. आप जैसे बताया था जी.
You're from Bangalore only?
जी जी, born brought up in Bangalore.
Oh,
Yes.
I moved to Bangalore a year and a half back.
Sorry.
I moved to Bangalore a year and a half back.
Okay, so how are you finding Bangalore? Is it good?
Yeah?
Okay.
I like the weather.
Okay.
I like people also.
हाँ.
So, overall I like.
जी. So आप कहाँ से हो जी?
I'm from Delhi.
Delhi. Okay. Yeah, I've never been to Delhi, but I've heard that Delhi का मतलब दिल्ली के people जो है they are very like high on temper. मतलब बहुत गुस्से वाला है. Is it true?
गर्मी बहुत है ना.
अच्छा.
गर्मी बहुत है, ठंड बहुत है. इतने एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर में इंसान मेलो कैसे रहेगा?
So you've been in Bangalore for a while?
Anyhow.
Okay.
I only spent my childhood there. उसके बाद work-wise I've moved to different cities. So I'm fine with moving anywhere.
Okay.
That's never been an issue. Which is why मेरे को ये जो लोग stereotype बनाते हैं कि यहाँ के ऐसे वहाँ के ऐसे हैं, वो कभी पसंद नहीं आते. Whoever I have connected with, they're all nice people. It doesn't matter from which region they are.
Correct.
Maybe people have had like bad experiences.
Yes.
Could be a reason.
Yeah.
बस सिर्फ सुन के डिसाइड कर लेना कि वहाँ के लोग ऐसे हैं,
Yes.
वो तो सही नहीं
हाँ, like everything is an evolvement, right?
है। या
Yeah. So चीज़ें भी change हो सकती है. So when you said explore, like it's more like you want to travel or you want to learn things. How is that?
हाँ,
I mean, like how?
डिपेंड्स
Okay.
कितना एक्सेसिबिलिटी है।
Okay.
जैसे you can always learn a new language through
Correct.
say Duolingo or all
Hmm.
any of these apps right now. I've seen people made good progress.
G.
That's an easy way. That's an easier way to do it.
Okay.
So हाँ, I've explored that. Tried learning a few languages.
Okay.
Can't stick to those. वो अलग बात है।
Hmm.
Travel उतना कर नहीं पाया।
Okay.
Apart from wherever I have lived.
Sorry, please come again.
Apart from wherever I have lived.
Okay.
उसके अलावा तो-
अच्छा अच्छा.
I think it's a nice thing.
Okay.
I don't know what people usually do when they go home.
हाँ.
Actually, I usually put in my earphones. Not that I'm listening to anything.
Okay.
वो तो नहीं
Okay.
होता है.
हाँ.
Just to avoid people maybe.
Okay. When a lot of people say no, particularly women, I actually feel sad because maybe they would have had a very bad experience, right? Like generally people are like in general people are like it's in our gene, the character of exploring. When you offer something, obviously every person's choice is yes. Because of situations or any bad experience, they would say no.
Or it could be because they think that they'll have to maintain a set of
Yeah, yeah.
expectations,
True, true, true.
standard. कि भाई
Yeah.
पहले किसी लोगों से बात किया, what kind of answers I'm gonna give,
Yes, you're right.
and फिर वहाँ पे जाता है कि यार maybe I won't be that interesting
हाँ.
as opposed to others.
Okay.
तो क्या फायदा है बोल के?
Okay. But that is that particular person's perspective, right? Yeah. See, even if what you are saying, your side of story might not be interesting for you, but for me it is interesting. Because
but people don't agree to that, ना?
maybe not all. Like there are few people who agree. I think.
यहीं पे चलेगा।
जी, जी, जी. Cool. Thank you so much, ma'am.